Saturday, the Saturday Sunsplash Mix Show. We just did an interview with Latonya Style. You know what I'm saying? All courtesy dance, JA, RepJa, Jah Prince, Latonya Style. But we just bust a new dance. What you tell them?
Yeah, of course.
Alright, so the whole of you stream, the whole of YouTube, new dance.
Facebook, Twitter,
Swim Thru. We are going to swim through.
Like shark.
We love the crack. But we are going to swim through
like
now.
a shark.
You soon see it. We soon
no
see it.
fish around here. We just swim through like a shark.
No fish.
Yes,
none of that.
It's
swim
easy.
through. But yeah, look for it.
All of the swimming style, like backstroke, breaststroke, butterfly, treading, everything. We just swim through. See it? Alright. Backstroke, everything. Alright, this is a cappella, no music. So we have to swim through first, right? So these are the mermaid. That's the mermaid, right? When we see the crocodile now, the piece of the croc, okay? Crocodile come, but we're not afraid they're going to backstroke. Let's spice it up, little. Backstroke, 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 backstroke. Breaststroke, breaststroke. Alright, butterfly. 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 It's freezing out here, okay? Swim, 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 swim. Alright, tread. Tread. But you have to stay alive, stay up. Stay up, stay up. You don't know, that's a swim through. Catch it. Dance JA, dance school, Latonya Style, swim through. Built right here in Cole, ATL, USA. Woo!
No man curse, no money can help you, so put God first. Who God bless, no man curse. I not give a boxy bang bang. I said to play, but that's not. Them no so, Marcus. They make me vex like my
brand new power man, Power Stone. That's mad.
Walk pretty red up, walk pretty red up, walk pretty red up. Push up on the one up, push up on the one up, people that make you stand up. Me never see a prince a drive behind hers. Who God bless, no man curse. No man curse. Never see a prince a drive behind hers. So who God bless, no man curse. No money can help you, so put God first. Who God bless, no man curse. I not give up on me, nothing not one. Cause it have a reason to make me bad. No lazy days, works to perform. Get the first and the best of fire. And at the end of the world at the beginning, you love that God. At the beginning, I'm gonna make your time living. Just say that and you're always winning. Walk with you head up, walk with you head up, walk with you head up in a life, don't fed up. Push up on the one up, push up on the one up, push up on the one up, if I got to make you stand up. And walk with you head up, walk with you head up, walk with you head up in a life, don't fed up. Push up on the one up, push up on the one up, push up on the one up, if I got to make you stand up. Yo, Caliban, somebody do it, somebody will. Rise and show them your skill. Yo, the all my friends, them are incarcerated. Society feel like
your life is. From the life is.
Nobody stress out and get aggravated. For the baby mother, they were frustrated. Walk with the head up, walk with the head up, walk with the head up in a life, no head up. Push up on the one up, push up on the one up.
Brand new Power Stone right here on the FlavaRadio.com. Walk with the head up, walk with the head up. If you ever see what's going on inside the studio, man, it's like, what is it? Remember pass out the road in the morning, the Jah Prince. Crazy dances going on inside the studio. FlavaRadio.com. Wicked. Brand new Power Stone. It's good to hear from Crystal Kid, Power Man, you know? Long time you nothing from the man to stay. Yeah.
Walk with the head up in a life, don't head up. Push up on the one up, push up on the one up, push up on the one up. If I got a best stand up, me never say a prince a drive behind hers. So who God bless, no man curse. No money can help you, so who God bless. Who God bless, no man curse. Never say a prince a drive behind hers. So who God bless, no man curse. I rather them to be man come, bam, bam. Reason to make me man. No lazy, works to perform. Get the first and the best of your shine. One with the head up, anywhere at the beginning. You love one God.
Shout out to all the folks over there in Sunshine Jamaica Restaurant at Jay's here studio.
And you always winning.
Yeah.
the red up, walk with the red up, walk with the red up in a life, don't fed up. Push up on the one up, push up on the one up, push up on the one up, and walk with the red up, walk with the red up, walk with the red up, like don't fed up. Push up on the 30 years of desires and wishes, and as the inhibition vanishes, we can talk all night, but only true body languages. Let's unlearn bandages, it no matter once it is. Me and you lock up in the room, then on it is. I'll make you hornier than a horn it is. I'll make you come again in quantities like.
That is shout out to Mixmaster Junior. No respect over time. I just love the remix that Jah Prince, don't they? The second verse. Oh!
Come here, girl, oh na na na. Come here, girl, come here, Rihanna.
This is a DJ Wax Mode.
Whisper in my ear and tell me all of your fantasies, your dirtiest desires and wishes. And as your inhibition vanishes, we can talk all night, but only through body languages.
Yeah, it's a girl Latonya Style, first class dancer. You know what? I'm picking up Dance JA. Log on to www.danceja.com. All about dancehall, dancing, dancehall, everything you need to know. Just log on and learn latest moves from A to Z. You see, Latonya Style, first class in the building. RepJa, all out. Boom.
Say what you like, say what you want me to do, and I got you. Tell me how to love.